Vijay Nahata, a former IAS officer, has one of the most illustrious record of a performing IAS officer. His experience as bureaucrat ranges from Zilla Parishad to the Office of Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Commissioner of Navi Mumbai, Director of State Information Department and Konkan Divisional Commissioner. He has contributed immensely to each department, and today his work as a bureaucrat is referred to as the Nahata pattern of civic governance. The IAS officer changed the definition of progress and development when he was commissioner in Navi Mumbai. Never in the history of NMMC had a commissioner perform at such pace within 6 months of office as Vijay Nahata. 221 posts were filled, over 400 new units from TTC MIDC were registered with NMMC for cess and property tax, 9 gardens were developed in Vashi, Nerul and Airoli, 38,000 saplings were planted, posts in NMMC Health Department were filled, the Belapur Zilla Parishad Hospital was acquired by NMMC, new municipal health centers were made functional in Pavne and Indranagar, repair work of mother and child care hospital at Koparkherni and Turbe were started. Students of all municipal schools were given raincoats, notebooks, bags before 15th July. Work to begin carbon credit process at Turbe's landfill site had started. Measures to save electricity up to 30% were put in place. Beautification work had started in various nodes. Fully equipped disaster management cell was started. First municipal special school came up at Rabale. This was a record as no other commissioner till date has been able to achieve what Vijay Nahata did in first 6 months in office. In over 3 years as NMMC commissioner, Vijay Nahata executed the most ambitious and challenging projects in NMMC, completing the Kalamboli to Digha pipeline work, connecting water supply from Morbe Dam to Navi Mumbai through an integrated plan of installing water meters and laying water pipelines, clearing the way for the construction of NMMC headquarters, a feat that all commissioners in the past failed to execute, giving Navi Mumbai its first scientific landfill site at Turbe with a program for carbon credit rating, made way for the implementation of the 10% reservation for the poor at NMMC Fortis Super Speciality Hospital, ensured approval of GNN URM funds for upgrading NMMT services and including AC buses in its fleet, implemented concretization of Thane Belapur Road and main roads of Navi Mumbai, built flyovers across Thane Belapur Road, built senior citizen centers in all nodes of Navi Mumbai, made a unique plan for developing gardens, chalks, dividers in the city, executed the work of 2 major NMMC hospitals, one in Nerul and one in Airoli, implementing equal work, equal wages for contract workers, brought about many welfare schemes for poor and needy. NMMC Commissioner Vijay Nahata was also the first commissioner to go out on foot and inspect public issues to resolve them at the earliest. His work during 3.5 years of tenure as NMMC Commissioner surpassed words and praises and brought national acclaim to Navi Mumbai. During his tenure, NMMC won prestigious awards. This included Prime Minister Award for Excellence in Public Administration 2011, Best City Award 2009 by Ministry of Urban Development, Urban Water Award for consecutive 3 years 2008, 2009 and 2010 of Urban Development, Vasundhara Award of Chief Minister of Maharashtra 2010, Sant Gadge Baba Swachhata Abhiyan Award, Baramati Bhushan Award, Navi Mumbai Bhushan Award. That is why it was no surprise that at the end of each year that he was in office, Vijay Nahata was given public felicitation. Each time he was felicitated, the auditorium was jam-packed. Representatives from all walks of life and fields in Navi Mumbai acknowledged the public work done by Vijay Nahata. What no one can take away is that the most challenging public works of Navi Mumbai were executed when Vijay Nahata was NMMC Commissioner. The dynamic former IAS officer who made the office of the Commissioner of the public, for the public and by the public now plans to continue his work politically. He has officially joined the Shiv Sena party and now serves as an Upneta of Shiv Sena.